Today, we are going to talk about something that I see affecting almost every patient who walks through my door: leaky gut syndrome. If you're dealing with mysterious health issues that seem unconnected, like joint pain and digestive problems, this video might just help you understand what's really going on in your body. Stay with me, because understanding this condition could be the key to unlocking your path to better health. Hi, I'm Dr. Shura Babayan. As a holistic and integrative medicine doctor, I help people who've been struggling with complex health issues to find answers they haven't found elsewhere. On this channel, I share insights that combine modern functional medicine with traditional Chinese medicine to help you understand what's really happening in your body and support you on your path to vibrant health. You know, it's fascinating. When I mention leaky gut to my patients, many of them think it's some kind of disease. But here's the thing, it's actually not a disease at all. In medical terms, we call it enhanced intestinal permeability, and it's more like a condition that can lead to various health issues. In my practice, over the past 5 years, I've observed that almost every patient has some degree of leaky gut. They just experience it differently. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine your small intestine as an incredibly sophisticated security system. Its job is pretty paradoxical. It needs to let the good stuff in, like properly digested nutrients, while keeping the bad stuff out, like harmful microbes and toxins. Pretty clever, right? Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Your gut has this incredible barrier. We call it the brush border because under microscope, it actually looks like tiny bristles on a brush. This barrier controlled by some pretty impressive molecules, things like zonulin, oclodine, and claudin-1. Don't worry too much about these names. What's important is understanding how they work together. Think of these molecules like the security guards at an exclusive club. They control these things called tight junctions, essentially the doors between your gut and your bloodstream. Most of the time, these doors stay tightly closed, only opening selectively to let specific things through. But here's where problems can start. When these tight junctions become inflamed, they start to loosen up, kind of like the security guards falling asleep on their job. And that's when larger molecules that shouldn't be in your bloodstream start sneaking through. Now, here's where things get really complicated and interesting at the same time. When these unwanted substances get through, things like bacteria, fungi, or undigested food particles, your immune system basically says, hey, you are not supposed to be here. It's like your body's security system sounding the alarm. Your immune system responds by releasing these alarm substances called cytokines, which call in the cavalry, your white blood cells. And while this battle is going on, it creates inflammation that can affect parts of your body far, far away from your gut. Here's something crucial I've observed in my practice. This process can create a vicious cycle. When bacteria get through, we call this bacterial translocation. Some of them release substances called lipopolysaccharides, or short LPS. And guess what these do? They make your gut even more permeable. Now, here's something really important to understand. Your body isn't doing this because it's malfunctioning or stupid. It's actually trying to protect you. The problem is this protection mechanism was meant to be temporary, but our modern lifestyle keeps triggering it over and over and over again. I know some of you might be thinking about trying to fix this on your own by Googling, reading, but please understand, healing leaky gut requires a comprehensive approach. It's not just about taking a supplement or eliminating one food from your diet. If you are interested in learning more about how to heal leaky gut, let me know in the comments below. I can make more detailed videos about specific aspects like the role of LPS that I mentioned earlier, or different treatment approaches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more about gut health and holistic healing. And if you're dealing with symptoms that might be related to leaky gut, I invite you to book a strategy call with me. The link is in the description below. You know, I can already hear some of the questions you might have after watching this video. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deep into how to know if you actually have leaky gut. And yes, there are specific signs to look for. The surprising factors that can cause intestinal permeability. Some of these might really surprise you. The main symptoms of leaky gut and why they can be so different for everyone. And something I get asked about all the time, why some doctors don't recognize leaky gut as a real condition. This one has a fascinating historical background. I'd love to hear from you. What aspects of leaky gut do you want to learn more about? Drop your questions in the comments below. Your questions actually help me create content that's most valuable for you. Remember, healing is a journey, and understanding your body is the first step. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into holistic health and healing. See you in the next video, where we will continue exploring the amazing world of gut health.